Hello everyone, welcome to Kanishta Coders. In today's class, we are going to learn about movements in Scratch. So let's get started. I will be telling you how you can make various things move and how you can control your own sprite in Scratch. So first of all, let us set a backdrop, go to sports and set a background of playing field. Okay, then let's go to choose a sprite and then select any of the players. Let's select Ben from here. Let's place him out here. Okay, now if we want this Ben, this sprite over here, to move in left and right direction, so that in future videos when I teach you to make a game, he will be able to act as a player in the game and we will be able to control him from the keyboard. आप आपके जो कीबोर्ड होता है, you will be able to see आपके कीबोर्ड के ऊपर ये 4 बटन होते हैं. There are these 4 buttons over there: north, south, east and west buttons. You can use these buttons to make this Ben character move in all the 4 directions available. Okay, so let me just tell you how to do the coding for it. uh, you will have to click on this events option and then go and search for when space key pressed. Over there you can go and select when left arrow key is pressed. Then what to do, change x, because we want him to move in the x direction. Change x by -10. Now please try to understand why I have made it -10. It is very important to understand. It is the number line concept. Like if this is the line, this is whenever we are going from this position backwards, it is in negative, so I'm taken negative. And when we are going in the front one, it will be positive, so you can make it +10 or something like that. So when you want him to move forward, make it in a plus direction, and backward you can make it in a minus direction. I hope that is clear to you. Now just right click in on it and click on duplicate and duplicate this. Now when right arrow is pressed, the key is pressed, make it +10. Now when you click on this green button and I use my keyboard left and right buttons, see, you will be able to move this person. Okay, in this way you can move this person in the x-axis. If you want, we can also duplicate again, and then if you want you can also change. Now you have already changed y x, so now you're going to change y. If you want to go in the up direction, when you click on the up, change y by 10, and when you want to go down, change y by -10, because when you have to go down it's minus, up it's positive. Now if I go and try to run this, okay, now it's going up, it's going down. We are able to take him to the right hand side, the left hand side. Now I hope the movement is clear to you. If you want him to say something, okay, if you want him to say something, you can take this say and let him say, come on, let's play. Okay, if you want him to say this every time, you can attach it every time you want. Okay, and this, I am making all these copies using the right hand click button duplicate or by using Control C and Control V. So now whenever you run on this, and you see he is now saying things also. So I hope you enjoyed making this. This was a very short tutorial in which I just wanted to explain you how we can set the movements of all these things. It was quite easy. Let us revise. मैं एक बार रिवाइज करता हूँ. आप पहले बैकड्रॉप सेट करेंगे, कैरेक्टर को लेके आएंगे, उसके बाद आप अपने इवेंट्स में जाके व्हेन अप एरो अगर क्लिक करेंगे, अगर आप अप एरो चाहते हैं तो मैंने अप एरो भी किया है, व्हेन लेफ्ट चाहते हैं तो लेफ्ट, तो अगर आप लेफ्ट जाना चाहते हैं तो वो माइनस में होता है एक्स एक्सिस, क्योंकि दो एक्सिस होती हैं, one is the x-axis, this is the x-axis, and this is the y-axis. तो if you want to go backwards it's माइनस, तो x-axis से चेंज हो रही है तो -10, और अगर आप फॉरवर्ड इस तरफ जाना चाहते हैं तो पॉजिटिव में हो रही है तो +10, अगर आप ऐसे ऊपर जाना चाह रहे हैं, इस तरफ से ऊपर जाना चाहते हैं, तो हम लोग अप एरो के बारे में बात करें तो पॉजिटिव में होता है ये, और नीचे की तरफ चाहते हैं तो नेगेटिव में होता है, जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे किया है. सो आई होप यू एंजॉयड दिस. Try solving this yourself, try making something very interesting, because what will happen eventually is that we are learning the building blocks, then these building blocks will be used for creating games in future to come by. Keep following us at Kanishta Coders, keep liking us, and we assure you that we have lots, tons and tons of game being ready for you. Thank you.